Jai Hind to all. Today we discuss a pending topic of chapter 4, and that is matrix method. Solved by matrix methods, these linear equations 2x minus 3y plus 4z equals to 4, 3x plus y minus 2z equals to 9, and 2x plus 3y minus 5z equals to 7. In this method, firstly, we convert these equations in the matrix form. So we represent that matrices by capital A, X and B. We write a matrix with the help of the coefficients of x, y, z in the equations. In the first equation, we get 2, minus 3 and 4 are the coefficients of x, y, z respectively. So we write first row in A with the help of the coefficients of the first equation 2, minus 3, 4, and in the second row we write the coefficients of the second equation 3, 1, minus 2, and in third we use third equation 2, 3, minus 5. It is A matrix, and by using the variables we make capital X matrix. We get x, y, z are variable in the equation, so we write a column matrix X matrix with the help of the variables, and in the equations after the sign of equal to we get 4, 9, 7. So we write a B matrix with the help of these elements, and that is also a column matrix. Clear? Always we write these matrix as this type, and if A into x is equals to B, if we solve this equation we get these equations. If we multiply A into x matrix and put is equals to B matrix, after simplify it we get these equations. Clear? And after that we find A determinant by using the expansion method. When we apply expansion on A matrix we get minus 3 as determinant, and it is not equals to 0. When A determinant is not equals to 0, then the case arise here A is non-singular, and as A inverse exists, it means A एक नॉन सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है और उसका इन्वर्स हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं, एग्जिस्ट कर रहा है उसका इन्वर्स. देन सिस्टम इज कंसिस्टेंट एंड हैज़ ए यूनिक सोल्यूशन. क्लियर? जब ए डिटर्मिनेंट नॉट इक्वल टू 0 बनेगा इट मीन्स सिस्टम कंसिस्टेंट होगा, और इस केस में हमें एक सोल्यूशन इस इन इक्वेशंस का एक सोल्यूशन मिलेगा. आफ्टर दैट वी फाइंड एडजॉइंट. For find adjoint, firstly we find cofactors a11, a12, a13 with the same previous method a21, a22, a23, a31, a32, a33. When you find with the method you get these final answer for the cofactors, and our adjoint is 1 minus 3 to 11 minus 18 16 7 minus 12 11. It is the adjoint. After that we find A inverse. Clear? And A inverse is equals to 1 by A determinant into adjoint of A, and it is A inverse. And now Ax, if Ax is equals to B, if we find x, solution of these equations means we find the value of x, y, z. We need the value of x, y and z. It means X matrix. We want to find capital X matrix, or we can say that we want find the values of x, y, z. Clear? If Ax is equals to B, then x is equals to A inverse into B. After that we apply this method here. Clear? Solving it we get x, y, z. then X matrix is XYZ, and it is A inverse, and it is B matrix. After multiplication we get -9, -6 and -3 in the matrix, and after simplify it we get 3 to 1. X is equals to 3 and Y is equals to 2 and Z is equals to 1. It is the final answer. Clear? And one thing more, if in this question A determinant is not equals to 0, but in any question we get A determinant equals to 0, then what we can do, then two more cases can arise here. If A determinant is equals to 0, then we find adjoint of A एंड इंटू बी. अगर ए का डिटर्मिनेंट 0 बनेगा तो हम एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए फाइंड करेंगे और उसकी बी के मैट्रिक्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अब इनकी मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद अगर 0 मैट्रिक्स हमें मिले, इट मीन्स उसकी वैल्यू भी हमें 0 मिल जाए, देन तो केस क्या अप्लाई होगा, देन द सिस्टम इज कंसिस्टेंट एंड हैज़ इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशंस. क्लियर? तो सिस्टम उस केस में भी कंसिस्टेंट होगा, बट उस टाइम यूनिक सॉल्यूशन नहीं होगा, इनफाइनाइट मैनी सॉल्यूशंस का केस बनेगा. अगर ए डिटर्मिनेंट 0 है and adjoint of A into B is not equals to 0, then system is inconsistent and no solution. At that time here is no solution, we cannot able to find the values of x, y, z. Clear? And I sent a one example related with the both cases. Clear? You understand it? If any doubt, then discuss with me. Thanks.